Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Canada Visitor Visa online in the IRCC Portal, including for your child. So this is helpful because you'll know exactly what to do and when biometrics and passport submission happen. So first, let's open the link, pick your reason for travel, then start the application. Second, make an IRCC Portal account using the invitation code. This is for first-time users only. Sign in, accept the terms, click apply, then start application. Again, these are for first-time users only. Third, if applying for you and your 8-year-old, choose a group application, enter a group name, then add each applicant's details. For your child, you can select no for representative. Fourth, fill out the form, personal info, address history, travel history, education or employment, and answer all background questions truthfully. Number 5 or 5th, upload documents, passport, proof of funds like bank statements, and other supporting files. Combine extras into one PDF if needed. 6, pay online and submit. Biometrics are required for ages 14 to 79. So if required, you'll get a biometrics letter, book an appointment, and bring the letter and your passport to the biometrics center. If approved, you'll get a passport submission letter. Submit your passport to the visa application center so that they can attach the visa. You may pay extra for courier or notifications, and you'll get a receipt to collect your passport. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below.